This video is for class 10th and our topic is excretion in humans. Human excretory system collect the waste material from our body and help it get rid of them. Means human excretory system हमारी बॉडी से नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट मटेरियल जो कि पॉइजनस है सच एज यूरिया, एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर एंड एक्सेस ऑफ सॉल्ट को बॉडी से बाहर निकालने में हेल्प करते हैं. As you can see in the diagram of human excretory system, it comprises of following main part. The first and the foremost part is a pair of kidney. A pair of kidney is present on both right and the left side of the body. The second part is a pair of ureter. A pair of ureter. Ureters को हम excretory tubes भी बोलते हैं या excretory ducts भी बोलते हैं. This is excretory tube or excretory duct. The third part is urinary bladder. Third part is urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder and the last part is urethra. Last part is urethra. Now I will be explaining all of the above mentioned part one by one along with their structure and the functions. The first and the foremost part of human excretory system are kidneys. As you can see in the diagram, kidneys are bean-shaped structures which are present in our back just above the waist. मतलब kidneys जो है वो हमारी bean-shaped structure है. It look like bean और pear-shaped जो back side में हमारी body में back side में just above the waist कमर से थोड़ा सा ऊपर present होते हैं. One kidney is slightly smaller than the another. एक किडनी दूसरी से थोड़ा सा छोटी है to maintain this to adjust the system in our body. अगर हम किडनी के फंक्शन की बात करें तो it perform two main functions. First function, it form the urine. ये हमारी बॉडी में excess of waste या excess of water या salt को ब्लड से फिल्टर करती है और यूरिन को फॉर्म करता है. Second function, it helps in osmoregulation. Osmoregulation का मतलब है to maintain the water balance in the body. Before going further, it is important here to discuss two main terms. First is renal vein. This is renal vein and second is renal artery. So first of all, हम renal vein को जानेंगे. As you can see, renal vein it carries the blood filtered by the kidneys. Renal vein किडनी जो ब्लड को फिल्टर करेंगी वहां से यूरिन फॉर्मेशन करेंगे, उसके बाद जो फिल्टर्ड ब्लड है उसको ले जाने में हेल्प करती है. और रेनल आर्टरी, अगर हम रेनल आर्टरी की बात करें, दे ब्रिंग्स इन डर्टी ब्लड इनटू द किडनी. वो किडनीज में जो पॉइजनस ब्लड है मींस द ब्लड व्हिच कंटेन द यूरिया, एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट, उसको किडनीज तक पहुंचाने में हेल्प करती हैं. The second part of excretory system is a pair of ureter. Ureter are also called as excretory ducts. These are the ducts by which urine is passed. अगर हम ureter के functions की बात करें तो ureter का function है that it carries the urine which is filtered by the kidneys. It carries the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. So ureters are the ducts which carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Third part is urinary bladder. तीसरा part urinary bladder है. अगर हम bladder की बात करें, so bladder और urinary bladder it is a sac-like structure or it look like a bag. As you can see in the diagram, it look like a sac. It is made up of muscles and urinary bladder क्या function करता है? It store the urine. ये यूरिन को स्टोर करता है until it is passed through the urethra. So the last part is the urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure, as you can see here. Urethra is a tube-like structure which transmit the urine. जो यूरिन को urinary bladder से outside the body transmit करने में help करता है. Now here I want to mention one thing, that urethra is guarded by muscles. It is made up of muscles which are called sphincter muscles, which is known as sphincter muscles. Now, what is the function of sphincter muscles? Muscles क्या काम करती हैं? So, they help in contract and relaxation of the urethra during the urine transmission, during the urine pass